In this tutorial, I will show you how to make trending AI images for free. If you want to see more AI tutorial videos daily, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon button. So let's get started. Open your browser. Search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Type your prompt here. Click on Create. Click on Image to preview. Let's try another sample. Click on Create. Let's try another sample. Click on Create. If you want to download this, simply click on Download here and you will get image without any watermark.